What if I told you nature has a hidden pharmacy to repair damaged nerves? No prescriptions needed. Dive into the science-backed secrets of herbs that reverse neuropathy, boost nerve regeneration, and even contain vitamins your body craves. Curious? Let's unravel these natural powerhouses, and yes, number 7 will shock you. Did you know over 20 million Americans suffer from nerve damage, yet most never explore herbal solutions? Today, we're decoding 9 proven herbs that rebuild nerves, reduce pain, and flood your body with healing vitamins. Stick around! Your nervous system will thank you! Starting with turmeric, the golden warrior of nerve repair. This golden spice contains curcumin, renowned for its anti-inflammatory properties. This compound, curcumin, slashes inflammation by blocking a protein linked to nerve damage. A 2017 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found it speeds nerve regeneration by 40%. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants, this spice is a nerve's best friend, making it vital in combating damage. Stir a teaspoon into warm milk for a golden latte. Your nerves will thank you! Next is a spicy root that ignites nerve healing. Ginger, which is rich in gingerols and other antioxidants, turbocharges blood flow to nerves. Research indicates that ginger improves blood circulation, crucial for delivering essential nutrients to damaged nerves, thus enhancing recovery. Third on this list is Ginkgo Biloba. Its extracts facilitate better blood flow and act as antioxidants, protecting nerve cells from further damage. Studies show that ginkgo may facilitate cognitive function, making it particularly effective for nerve-related issues. But what if I told you a sunny flower could outshine nerve pain? St. John's wort, often used for its mood-boosting properties, also supports nerve health. This herb is believed to aid nerve regeneration, and research shows its extracts can enhance nerve conduction velocity, promoting faster healing. But what about an ancient herb that silences stress and heals nerves? Ashwagandha, an adaptogen known for its stress relief abilities. Studies have suggested that ashwagandha can reduce oxidative stress, helping cells to recover from damage, fostering an optimal environment for nerve repair. Moving on, we find aloe vera. While often touted for its skin benefits, aloe vera is rich in vitamins A, C, and E, antioxidants that promote healing. Research indicates its anti-inflammatory properties can support nerve health by reducing swelling and irritation in nerve tissues. Notable to mention is cayenne pepper, which contains capsaicin. Capsaicin is renowned for its pain-relieving properties and may stimulate nerve repair. Studies suggest consistent use can alleviate pain signals, giving damaged nerves the chance to regenerate. Then there's garlic, a well-known culinary ingredient that possesses remarkable benefits for nerve health. Garlic is filled with allicin and other sulfur compounds that influence blood circulation, an essential factor in delivering nutrients to the affected areas. Lastly, prepare for a tiny seed with colossal power. We spotlight evening primrose oil, rich in gamma-linolenic acid, GLA. Research indicates that GLA supports nerve health by promoting regeneration and reducing nerve pain, making it an ideal choice for those experiencing nerve damage. Boom! There you have it! Which of these 9 herbal heroes are you trying first? Drop a comment below. And if you're craving more science-backed natural remedies, smash that subscribe button and tap the bell. Your nerves deserve this healing revolution. Stay curious, stay proactive, stay healthy.